Hi guys, today I want to unbox this. Okay, this inside this is a switch socket outlet from Siemens. Okay, so I am now gonna unbox this. Okay, this is Siemens. Okay, Siemens switch socket outlet. Okay, category premium quality. Okay, so let's go inside this dimension. Okay, Siemens Delta. Okay, 30 ampere 1 gang switch. Okay, white. Okay, Siemens. Okay, so now let's look inside. So this and this. Okay, Siemens. Very simple like this. Siemens. Okay, Siemens. Okay, so let's look inside this first. Oh, this is the specification, the manual lah. No, the manual. Okay, the Siemens manual. Okay, Siemens as well. Here's the screw. Okay, for the switch. Let's look at the manual first. Okay, instruction manual. Okay. And this one now, okay? This one, the first one. This one, 30A. Okay, 30A. 1 gang. Okay, this one. Okay. No, this one. UB 5UB1312. This one. So you see, same right. Okay, this one. 1 gang Singapore switch. Okay, so made in China. So let's look around it. Modern knots. Okay, inside that assembly diagram. The important part is the assembly diagram. So it's like this. The screw in here. This is the surface. The screw inside here. Then okay. This is the wiring diagram. Okay, dimension, specification, voltage 250, dimension 86 mm times 66 mm times 146 mm. Okay, then this is, you see this one. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, simple. Okay, this one mention live neutral. Okay, live neutral. Okay, so this is the wiring diagram. The live neutral of okay, it's mostly the same lah. Okay, now this is the instruction manual. So guys, if you don't know how to install it, then you must read the instruction manual. Okay, now finish. It's the screw first. Okay, now we got this Siemens. Okay, brand new Siemens. I'm gonna open this plastic and take a look inside. Okay. Oh, like this. Okay, this. Okay, Siemens. Okay, so like this. So basically it's like this. You put inside here. Okay, then you mount it, the back board here, and you screw it. Okay, it's like this. See. Oh, nice grip. Wood. Okay, So we take a look this. Okay, this is up, really up. You screw, mostly the screw backboard is here. Yeah, these two hole. This is the middle one. Okay, the screw, this screw, screw here. So this screw, and then we take a look behind the rear part. So you see, this one, it mentions live, neutral, earth, earth. Live, neutral, earth. So earth, with the green cable, you screw here also can, you screw here also can. Okay, and live, you screw here. Neutral, you screw here. Okay. So 5 made in China, Siemens, Siemens. Okay. Basically it's like that only. So okay. Then SIEMENS. Okay, SIEMENS. Malaysia SIEMENS. Okay. Basically it's like this. Okay. Nice. It could provide 2 terminals for earning. So if let's say you want to you want to loop it, also loop the neutral, and also loop the earth like this. Loop it. Yeah, either one you also install. Okay. Put on the cover. Whoa. Nice. Wonderful. Okay guys, so far it's like that. So later on I will install it. Okay, I will install it. So stay tuned, yeah. Thank you. Please wait a while. Okay guys, now I want to replace my old socket, this one, old switch socket outlet, to this one, new Siemens socket outlet. Okay, so stay tuned, I'm going to install it. Okay, so now I'm going to remove my old socket, this one. So I already turned off the breaker circuit. So now make sure no current. Okay, test panel. Okay, test first. No current. Okay, now it's safety for remove this one and replace this one, Siemens. Okay. Please wait a while. I remove this and install the new Siemens socket outlet. Okay guys, this is my old and new socket. See, this is the Snyder one, this is Siemens one. Okay, I already removed it and now it's ready for termination. Okay. Okay guys, I already finished install. This is the replace new one, Siemens. You see, Siemens is all one. Okay, Snyder. Okay, Snyder. Okay, so now I want to test got current or not. Okay, so on this one first. Okay, try first. Okay, got current. Also got current. Okay, so now I want to cross it. Test this. Try first this one. Okay, good. Socket correct. So this one. Okay, socket correct. Okay, so all done. Okay, polarity okay. So thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, yeah. Thank you very much.